Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Now, as of November 21st, my birthday, Fujifilm has released their latest firmware update for the Fujifilm X-H2S. Now, a lot of people was waiting for this firmware update. They were hoping that this will fix the issues with the autofocus system. I'm actually using it right now because after I record this video, I actually have to go out of town. But I have been seeing a lot of positive reviews when it comes to the firmware update. But if you've been on this channel for a while, then you know my main concern is image quality. So needless to say, I was shocked when Fujifilm announced the new F-Log2C Profile. And I was even more shocked to learn that this new profile is pretty much almost as big as Asus, which is pretty impressive because Asus is like the second or third largest color space that we have, following DaVinci Resolve. Now, the problem I had, and probably a lot of people had with F-Log2 was that the reds and the yellows were always looking oversaturated. We always had to take it in post and fix it. It rarely ever looked really good out of camera. We always had to go into our HSL sliders or maybe your preferred tool and actually desaturate it so it can look like it was safe for broadcast standards. Now, what it looked like from other creators and from what I saw, F-Log2C did fix that problem. Skin tones look more pleasing, reds look more pleasing, yellows look more pleasing. And while I didn't have a chance to test this on a person for skin tones, I do have some test footage that I'm going to show you right now. But with a disclaimer, I only had like 30 minutes to shoot this test footage, and I only had like maybe 20 minutes to grade it, so it's not the best thing I ever done, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. So overall, I'm happy with the new F-Log2C profile, and I'm happy that Fujifilm is starting to push the envelope, not only with image quality, but with their color space as well. Now, if I'm correct, and the C in F-Log2C stand for cinema, then I feel like Fujifilm is starting to pay more attention to their videographers, which in the end, that's only a win. Now, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday, and I'm thinking about taking this camera with me so I can do some more testing while I'm out of state. And if you guys capture some test footage from the F-Log2C, feel free to tag me. I would love to see it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, before I go, I need to say that my color grading course is actually 30% off. I did say until Black Friday, but I think I may just extend that to Christmas. Have a good day. Peace.